waiting for someone to be killed on these premises. Madam Speaker, Honorable Ilyas Karim was manhandled here at Parliament, thinking it was me. Right here at Parliament. You can ask him. He's from your party. He was manhandled right here at Parliament. Mistaken identity, and Suleman. It was Honorable Biswick Million who went and saved him. I'm talking about people from that side. Now, what is happening, Madam Speaker, is that our police is only working in other regions, not in the central region. Violence happens in Dirande, the next day the police is there arresting people. Violence happens in Machinga, the next day police is there arresting people. We have issues of Mpungwe here. We have issues of Mponera here. We have issues of here at Parliament, our ladies, honorable members. Tell me who has been arrested. You told us to go and see the CCTV. We know the boys. We know the people. And for honorable leader of the House to stand here and be condemning, that is fake. Because he knows those are his boys, those are his people. People who are, yesterday, Madam Speaker, civil servants were hacked. Some are still in hospital. We cannot tolerate this. Where are we heading to? And they know what is going on, Madam Speaker.